Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Cash Bright. It's a fact that most people who try to sell their designs on Redbubble will get so frustrated with a lack of any sales that they will give up and curse all the hard work they feel they've wasted on the platform. This is because everyone does the same thing. They sign up, upload some designs, and expect the sales to roll in. And no wonder. This is the message given to you by Redbubble themselves. It seems so easy to do, and hey, with time, you can make some serious money. Well, let me enlighten you. There are hundreds of thousands of artists currently selling or trying to sell their designs on Redbubble. The term crowded marketplace really doesn't do it any justice. It is unbelievably competitive, and the chances of a customer organically finding, liking, and buying any of your products are incredibly low. The truth is, most people will be lucky to organically sell a few products during the entire lifetime of their store. It's a small minority of users that actually make enough sales to earn a decent amount of money. So, how can you join that exclusive minority of Redbubble sellers? Well, essentially, don't be like everyone else. Don't approach selling on Redbubble in the conventional manner. You need to think outside the box. My top tip for you is to think of Redbubble as the end point of your sales strategy, not the beginning. Let me explain. When you visit Redbubble as a customer, do a few searches for some cool designs, you get a lot of results from numerous Redbubble stores. How you choose between the designs is based on very little information, and there is even less to differentiate between many of the designs you see. Getting noticed at this point is a bit like finding a needle in a haystack. So what you need to do is first create an outlet for your designs before you go to the trouble of actually uploading them to Redbubble. In other words, you need to create your market before you can sell in it. There are numerous ways to do this, but my advice is to choose a niche area of interest, for example, dog lovers, and start to build a following with posts on social media such as Instagram. Once you have enough followers who like your unique take on the subject, you create some related designs, upload them to Redbubble, and directly advertise your products to your followers. The chances of you making decent sales dramatically increases using this method, and of course, the more you are active on social media, the bigger your pool for potential sales. It sounds really simple, doesn't it? But you'd be surprised how easy it is for people to fall into the trap of getting it all backwards and heavily relying on organic Redbubble sales. The expression, "if you build it, they will come," just isn't true for Redbubble. You need to create and maintain an outlet for your products before you give yourself any hopes of making any sales on Redbubble. And that's my top tip for you. All the best to you go-getting entrepreneurs out there. I hope you make some decent money on Redbubble. Thanks for watching. If you found this video to be helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And until the next time, stay sharp, stay hungry, and stay cash bright.